Okay, up until this point, we've been setting up our sheet layers in our drawings using tabloid or 11 by 17, and that's a standard size sheet that is available in the printers we've been using. So if, for instance, I go and create a new sheet layer, I'm gonna call this sheet A1, and this will be my cover sheet. I'm gonna go in and edit this sheet layer. So I have my sheet number and sheet title, which I've already established, and then I'm gonna go to my page setup. I can go in and choose printer setup, and because this printer has tabloid, I can select a tabloid sheet size, which is going to be 11 by 17. Now, if I want, I've already created a custom size, but if in looking in this drop-down menu, I don't have any large format printing page options. So what I have to do is I have to manage custom sizes. So if I want to create any, I can create any size sheet. So depending what I'm printing, so like even if you get into wanting to use Vectorworks to drop some graphics, you can even play with these sheet sizes. So right now my paper size, oh, I do have an ArchD. Let's get rid of this. Okay. I wanted to, so under the, at the bottom, I'm going to cancel that because I got rid of that. Printer setup. Oh, it's still there. I'm going to manage, under the, at the bottom of the list is manage custom sizes, and, oh, I hit cancel then. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Under, at the bottom of the list is manage custom sizes, and I want to kind of keep the borders. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna select this manage custom sizes. It brings up this page setup. So what I have to do first and foremost is I have to add a custom paper size. So I'm gonna add this custom paper size. I'm gonna double click on the title and I'm gonna call this US Arch D. That's the standard size we're using, so it's 24 by 36. So I can see that these paper size measurements are in metric. So I need to put,
super convenient.
Totally. So I need to use a converter, or I can go to the internet and
the interwebs.
I know, right? So my US Arch D is 24 by 36 or 610 by 914. So I'm then going to go into Vectorworks, and this is 610 by 914. I'm just going to leave these borders. So these are going to be our margins. It's going to depend on the printer you use, the printing service, and the printer they use. I'm assuming most of you will not have a large format printer at home. Sorry? Right. So I'm just going to leave these margins as they are, but I could check with my printing service and make sure they are the same. Biggest thing is I want to have my width and height and my US Arch D, and I'm going to hit OK. And now that paper size is selected, I want to be in landscape and hit OK. I can see that my width and my height are here. This is the printable area, so it's subtracted the margins for my overall dimensions. I want to make sure I have one horizontal page, one vertical page. I'm going to turn off show my watermarks. So that Vectorworks educational version, I want to turn that off and hit OK and hit OK. And now there's my large sheet. Okay, so now I can start organizing my drawings and putting whatever notes I need to on those sheets. I will go over that more later.